The Worli car hit and crash case. In a shocking incident, a woman died after a BMW car rammed into a couple on a two-wheeler in the Kolivada area of Mumbai's Worli. In a mega twist, Shinde Sena's Rajesh Shah, the father of Mihir Shah involved in the Worli hit-and-run case, has been granted bail by the Mumbai court. He was in fact granted bail by the court for a bond of Rs 15,000. This comes after Rajesh Shah was arrested after long questioning by the police as well. Meanwhile, Mihir Shah is still absconding and a lookout circular has been issued for him. As the politics escalate over the surge in hit-and-run cases in the state, Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde yesterday has assured action over this particular matter. On the other hand, opposition has launched a scathing attack at the Shinde government, claiming that a gang of goons is running the government, further questioning the law and order situation in the state as well. And a big development now coming in with regards to the same story, Worli hit-and-run case. Now, according to Mumbai police, Rajesh Shah has instructed his son to escape from the spot and asked the driver to take responsibility of the accident as well. Cops have now recovered a CCTV footage which shows that the car dragged the woman who died for about 1.5 kilometers. And after the accident, Mihir called his father and informed him about this case as well, during which the Rajesh Shah, this man, told his son to escape from the spot right after the accident. Yesha continues to stay on with us on this development as well. Yesha, what we are looking at is something very similar to what transpired in Pune car crash case as well, and something now is emerging from Worli as well. What exactly are the authorities saying with regards to the cases such as road rage cases emerging straight from the state? In it has seen a significant spike in the couple of weeks.
Absolutely. In fact, on this very front, we've also seen Chief Minister Eknath Shinde speaking about how they are in the process of making a stronger law for hit-and-run cases. He's also assured action that in such cases, he will stand by the victim and there will be no political meddling in this case. So yes, as of now, the authorities are in the process of making a strong law because yes, this is not the first such instance where hit-and-run cases have come to light in the last couple of weeks. Right from the Pune Porsche case to the case again at Pune wherein two cops were hit and this very case at Worli where one female has lost her life. Of course, in Pune case as well as in this case at Worli, there has been political connections that have come out which questions stands even further. As of now, cops who are investigating the case have found out that after the accident, the accused fled towards Bandra Worli ceiling and the car as well as the driver, that is Rajrishi Bidawat, were left at Salarnagar. Now, cops are trying to understand where this accused Mihir is because 12 teams have been formed. It's suspected that he had fled outside the city. Now, of course, the investigation has also revealed that it was the son of Rajesh Shah Mihir who was behind the wheels, and cops are trying to understand the whereabouts of this accused. Yes.
Right, Yesha. Thank you so much for putting all of that into perspective for our viewers. We'll keep coming back to you for more developments in this case through the day. Right now, we have got a couple of more reactions coming in within the same story. Let's take a look at all of those.
मैं गाड़ी चला रहा था, औरत पीछे बैठी थी. हम लोग को पता नहीं चला, इतने जोर से गाड़ी आई और धार से आवाज आया. हम लोग ये हो गए, पागल हो गए. हम लोग दोनों हवा में उड़ गए. हवा में उड़ने के बाद उसके बोनेट पे गिर गए. बोनेट के गिरने के बाद उसने जो ब्रेक लगाया तो ब्रेक के बाद मैं लेफ्ट में गिर गया पूरा, और मेरी औरत उसके चक्के के इधर गिर गई. चक्के के इधर गिरने के बाद वो रुका नहीं. मैं उसको ठोका, उसको देखा, वो रुका नहीं. इतने जोर से गाड़ी चलाया कि चक्के का धुआं आ गया.
It is a very serious matter. People who in power are not bothered. I really feel very sorry that a lady has been pulled, tracked for 1 kilometer, and that shameless leaves the car there and runs away. It is a very serious matter. Very, very serious. Inhuman. Not serious. I will call it inhuman.
अरे कायदा सुव्यवस्था का डर किसी को रहा नहीं है. इस सरकार का लिए जो भी जिसके मन में आता है वो करता है और सबको लगता है कि भाई कुछ भी करे ये सरकार हमें बचाएगा.